Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam arrived in Medina Munawwara and made for a locality of the high areas of the city, called the locality of Banu Amr bin Auf. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed there 14 days. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then sent for the tribe Bani Najjar, who came hanging their swords. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, that scene is still right before my eyes. I was looking at Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam riding his mount while Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu was sitting behind him, and Banu Najjar had surrounded him until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam dismounted in the courtyard of Hazrat Abu Ayyub's house. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform a prayer there where the time of a prayer got due. Even he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform the prayer in a sheepfold. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then intended to construct a mosque and summoned the chiefs of Banu Najjar. When they had come, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Banu Najjar, sell me your garden. They submitted, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we will not take the price of this garden from you. We want its price only from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, I tell you what there was in that garden. There were some date palms, the polytheists' graves, and ruins. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders to chop down the date palms, so they were felled. The polytheists' graves were excavated and the ruins were leveled. The wood of the date palms were erected in the direction of the Qibla, and stones were placed as a support on the both sides. During this task, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the companions continued reciting this war cry, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, there is no good but of the hereafter. So help the helpers and the immigrants. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1173.